Hey guys, Comedy Killer. Today I'm at the farm. It's my grandparents' farm. So just sort of vlog it all, which is pretty awesome. You probably saw some videos already. But yeah, there's a bunch of dogs barking. But yeah, I'm going to vlog all this and edit it all together and have it as a little movie. It'll be awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna hopefully try and put a fair bit of effort into this. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you. What are they again? Llamas or alpacas? They're llamas.
They're alpacas.
Alpacas.
Llamas have got bent ears.
Okay.
A curve at the top. Oh, I want this one.
I don't want it to spit on me.
It's alright, mate.
Oh God, don't kill me.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
What's up, bro?
Hi. Hi. Where are you going? You're just saying hello.
I'll get really close to it. Don't hurt me. If you spit on me, I swear to God, I'll wipe it on my hand.
Yes, you are. Oh,
Hey.
you are.
Hey, don't you dare spit on me. Brianna, I dare to pat it. Why not?
Hello. They don't like the dog.
Hey. Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
You know if they're going to spit, their ears all go back. Hello. You cute pup. Please don't spit on me.
Hey.
See if you can pat it. Really gentle and slow.
Slow. Let it smell you and stuff. Oh my God.
It's nibbling on me. Hey.
Take a photo of me patting it.
Hold on. I'm petting a llama.
I want to touch this one.
Okay, go. This one.
Doesn't like me.
This is so going on YouTube.
Put your hand down a little bit.
Oh, it hates you.
Alright.
So, Harry-Ann. Sexy. Hey. Hulk. Hey, Doug.
Doesn't want a bar of it. Very timid little dog for a farm. It's so cute. Just rub my belly. You're a girl? Yes. You don't like that. I want that.
Just gently.
Hey, bro. YouTube it.
Fucking hell.
I was just waiting for you to turn back around and have llamas. Hello. I just want to pat you. Ah, it touched me.
See, we're not hitting anybody.
Mom, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Ryan, say hi to YouTube. Why?
It is Elvis.
Thank you.
In the hole.
Thank you very much.
every single day to remind us it was over, and it went
It brings out the flowers behind it. Yeah. I love that little mound in the corner.
There's a tree growing on it. There's a white cedar growing on it. I'll leave it there, I reckon.
Where's Mama? Oh, there.
Meow,
Oh,
meow.
isn't she big?
And there you have it. My trip to the farm today. My grandpa and grandma, grandparents' farms. Hope you liked it. Hopefully I've edited this as good as I can because I'm not very good at editing, but trying to do some editing on it. So yeah, I hope you liked it. I sure did. I'll be sure to make more. Yeah, I guess. And yeah, this is the Comet Killer signing out of his day at the farm. Bye bye.